Hello there. Today we're making an easy ground turkey taco bowl. I make this one all the time because you can throw it together in around 30 minutes, so it's a great weeknight meal. You'll need a pound of ground turkey, an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a can of black beans, a can of corn, a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, cooking spray, chili powder, kosher salt, ground cumin, and black pepper. First, dice the onion. Doesn't have to be too small, just medium size. Now mince the garlic. Drain the corn and the tomatoes, and drain and rinse the beans. You want to minimize the amount of liquid that goes in. Now that everything's prepped, heat the pan on medium heat. When it's warm, cover it lightly with cooking spray. Throw in the onions and let them cook alone for a couple minutes until they start to soften. Next, I like to make room in the pan before adding in the garlic and the turkey. Separate the ground turkey with a spoon and let it sit for a minute or so, just to give it some direct contact with the pan before mixing in the onions. Cook until the turkey is almost done, breaking it up into crumbles as it cooks. When it's mostly cooked through, sprinkle on all the spices. Stir in the spices until well blended, then add in the canned ingredients and stir it again. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes to cook off a lot of the liquid that's been released from the ground turkey. I like to make a little well in the middle to let the liquid settle in the hottest part of the pan to help it boil off faster. Finally, give it one last stir and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. If you want, you can also throw on some salsa or shredded cheese at this point. Or you can make wraps out of it with warm tortillas to make it more filling. Alright, that's it. Enjoy!